What's up, Atlanta? My name is Dr. Ashna Oberoi, and I'm one of the newest partners here at PONCE Dental Studio. I've been practicing for about 2 years now. I'm born and raised in Orange County, California. Went to school at UCLA, both for undergrad and back again for dental school. I spent the past 2 years actually doing more of advanced general dentistry out in South Carolina, and now the next part of my career brings me here to Atlanta. The experience that I've had thus far has really allowed me to become a super GP, which means that I focus on all aspects of dentistry, not just one. So if you're coming in and you want a more confident smile, we can go ahead and do veneers, we can be doing crowns. If you have infection there, I love getting patients out of pain and really creating a combined approach that's tailored, really just meant for you. And I feel like it really allows for a very personal aspect of dentistry to making sure that we are meeting your goals here on a daily basis that also creates long-term success for you. So I've kind of had a competitive nature as a kid, played basketball basically all of high school. I was on an Indian dance team in college, and I was actually a power lifter for the past 5 years. Very competitive with other people. Kind of honing in on my career, I've started to become very competitive with myself and try to basically bring out the best version that I can for both myself and for all the patients that I deal with on a daily basis. Basically, any Friday you can catch me with a suitcase at 5 p.m. headed out the door and on a flight, whether it be Miami, New York, or somewhere in Europe, because that is just one of the best ways that I like to recharge myself and feel super ready to come back to an amazing work week. I am newly married. I got married last year in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. I don't have any kids yet, but I do have a wonderful little fur baby at home named Zuko. For me, dentistry has always been way more than just teeth. It's more so for patients to really just feel cared for and confident and knowing that they're in the best care that they can possibly get here and they're truly valued. One thing that I really love is just connecting with my patients. So whether you're looking for a dentist, therapist, or a new friend, come find me at PONCE Dental Studio.